The United Democratic Party on Tuesday declared its first list of candidates for the 2023 Assembly polls. The first list consists of 32 candidates. Some of the prominent names are sitting MLA include Cabinet Minister Kerman Shila Cleriat, Lakmen Rumboy Amlarem, Brolding Nongset Mauthat Raishan, President of UDP and Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Medba Lingdo Mairang, Chief Executive Member of KHADC Titos Khan Sora, sitting MLA Balajit Sindram Shela, sitting MLA Pius Marwen Ranikor and Nujorki Sungo Mukayao. The other prominent names are Dr. Amanwar North Shillong, HDR Lingdo Soyong, Remington Pingro Maukanro, Anthony Kongwang, Bin Ursula Moonlight Pariat Jowai, and the others who made it to the list are Dawan Lingdo Nartiang, Baya Hunlang Makdo Mauhati, Bathok, Nongmali Jirang Sunshine Makri Umsning, Dr. Osa P. Jirwa Maurinkening, Mitchell Wankwar Milim, Olan Sun, Mausinram, Bolestar Nongsit Nongstoin, Paul Lingdo West Shillong, Jamino Mautho Nongthamai, from Garo Hills, LCH Momin, Karkuta, Subroto G. Marak, Menti Pathar Tapash D. Marak, Resi Belpara, Rakma CH Marak, Bajing Doba, Andres G. Momin, Rongjeng, Ronald R. Sangma, Salman Para, Kennethson R. Sangma Dalu, and Edi Shira Rajabala. Breaking her silence over the joining issue, suspended